Hello, this is the Jerry Boom 123. This time I'm doing my first pack opening. See how it goes. Hopefully I'm gonna get some good players. Not like me, but I'm usually probably the most unlucky person in the world at getting packs. But yes, all I need is I'm just trying to give as much money possible to the KSI. Really, it's just you know, one of those things. But so I'm pretty much only doing this pack opening so I can like give a bit of money to KSI pretty much. I'll see how much money I get because I do need to get just one more player to complete my team. Okay. Loading onto FIFA. Please say it's gonna do it. Don't just do this again. Shouldn't do. There we go. Right, just need to do one tiny little thing, lads, which is this. Right, looks like that's it, lads. So we're going to be doing a pack opening. See how it goes. Hopefully I will get some good players. If I don't, then who cares? No, I went off it by accident. Right, come on. Updating store catalog. Right. No. Yes. Troll. Who the hell is that? Nobody I know, but he is shining. Yeah, I can put these up. No. I'm gonna do what AA9 Skills does, he just puts the contracts up pretty much like that. Fitness cards too, I think I actually started in my club. And I will quick sell the list. So I have 1,300 coins, pretty cool. Let's see what else I get. Boomer. What a name. I got Boomer. Oh no, it's Bodmer. Oh, go away. Oh yay. This sells for a little. It'll sell straight away with that, so there we go. Quick sell the rest. I'm just gagging to get Bale. You know, get my Bale. Cavani! 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. In 4-1-2-1-2, my lads. That's that for the moment. Come on. That's probably my best player in a pack on FIFA 13. That's how unlucky I am. My best player so far is now Cavani. 10 grand already. Who did I get there? Thank you, Mum. Oh, Mum. 1 second, lads. A bit longer. I gave that to him, and I also gave him another £4 of my money.
How much did you put on?
said I need a £5
yeah.
back, and I gave him £4 of my money, so I've just got to really come to Right, I'm back. That's sorry, I'm just doing a little something there. So yeah, I'm just gonna be trying to make a lot of money this time. I'm really happy with who I've got so far. It's not like me to have a good pack opening. I usually fail. Oh, he's not fast. He's not first starting. Oh no, you can go away. You can go away, lad. That ain't happening here. Right. Oh. Yeah, it's that guy. Yeah, he's not good. Right. That'll sell straight away. Oh, which one is it? Oh, that'll do. Oh, that's alright. Seems pretty cool to me. Oh, damn it, I wasn't meant to do that. Oh well, right. S-win. Huh. At least the guy's quick. He's worth nothing, no, that is the problem. Okay. Right, only got a few more packs left. Let's just hope for the best. Okay, which one did I get? 4411 though. So for a little, I guess. Large mirror, I'll keep that. Yeah, I'm doing alright this pack opening actually. I think today is my lucky day. Quite a bit of this money might be going to KSI. I'm just trying my best to get in the money, but I couldn't quite. So, Eda Luis. Oh, this guy's quick. Whoa. Oh, I have a few. Oh, who's this? Oh, hello. How you doing there? Right. Have two pretty cool Brazilians. This guy won't be worth too much. I'll just put him up for 700, see how it goes. That guy's worth no. No. Oh, trade power's full. Dang it. Maybe it's not. Oh well, good. Right, this is the last pack. Who am I gonna get? I'm not gonna look. Not got a shiny, so no big deal to it. Oh! No, there's no big deal to that. Right, yeah. Oh, damn it. Right, yeah, right, okay. Right, I'll just put that. Actually, I do need a few contracts, and as well as keep them. Thanks for watching this video. I've pretty much got 30 to 40 items going on there, so yeah, let's see. A few have been sold. Cavani been sold, he been sold, he been sold. Yeah. So I have a lot of contracts up there. Yeah, there we go. So look at that. A lot of contracts going up. And of course that guy there. But yeah, just hope you enjoyed the video, lads. That's it from me. Goodbye for now.